press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
Hi guys, so this is my look for this video. This is a beautiful pink monochrome makeup look, and yes, if you want to know how I have created this beautiful, easy and fast pink monochrome makeup look, then please keep on watching. And yes, a very important message, a giveaway is going to run, and yes, I would be sharing all the informations of the giveaway in the end of this video, so please keep on watching. So as you can see, I'm all set up with my color correction, my concealing, my base and everything, and my eyebrows are also completed. And now moving ahead for my eye makeup, I would be using this color right here for my transition color, and this is from Savannah Colors. And now I would be placing it on my crease with the help of a blending brush. And now I would be using this brown color. This is a really nice warm brown color, and with the help of the same blending brush, I would place it upon my transition color and blend it inwards. And now I would be using this Miss Rose Professionals, and this has some beautiful matte colors. All shades are matte, as you can see. Beautiful mixture of orange, green, reds, mauve, a lot of color options. So from this I would be using this beautiful hot pink color right here, and with the same brush I would pick it up and place it on my outer V. Now I would use this purple color right here upon this beautiful hot pink color. And now for my eyelids, I'm using this beautiful champagne gold color with the help of a flat shader brush. And now with the help of a blending brush, I would pick this beautiful hot pink color on my brush and I would place it on my lower lash line. Now for my eyeliner, I would be using this Lakme eyeliner, and I would be going a really nice thick winged liner, a small winged liner, and this eye makeup would look beautiful with that small winged eyeliner. Now for my mascara, I'm using this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara, and in my last video I just forgot my mascara and I haven't applied the mascara in my last video. But yes, at the end I have applied the mascara. Now for my bronzing, I'm using this ADS, the Bahama Mama, and I would be using, it's not opening, okay, so I would be using this shade right here with the help of an angular brush. A little bit on my jawline also. So for my blush, I'm using the Savannah Colors blush, and I am using this beautiful coral pink color, and this would just match perfectly with this look. For my highlighter, I'm using this ADS Mary Luminizer, and I haven't really used this one, but I guess this would look beautiful with this whole look, with this pink look. And now for my lips, I'm using this Fuchsia Field from Lakme, and this is a beautiful hot pink color, and this would look really great with my monochrome hot pink look. So yes, this is the perfect shade for me. So this is my finished look, and this is a beautiful pink monochrome look, and I hope you loved it. And if you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe, because I would be bringing more such amazing and fun videos for you guys. And also hit that bell icon below so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, as I have mentioned earlier that a giveaway is going to run soon on my channel. So yes, it is going to run. And what's the giveaway prize? You must be curious. So the giveaway prize is this beautiful bag, this beautiful black bag with golden things over here, and you get straps over here, you get a chain in front over here. Just let me open it. So you get a chain over here, you can keep your things, and so you can keep your things over here, and then you get one zip over here and one small compartment over here. You can keep your phone, your cash, your lip balm, whatever you want. And then again you get a compartment over here, so you can keep your books if you are a college girl. Also you can carry it on your traveling. It would be just super cool. And why black? Because black is a universal color. Everybody loves black, so black was the safest color I could buy. So yes, this is the price of the giveaway, and one of my lucky subscribers would win this giveaway. I get so excited when it comes to giveaway. And yes, there are some small little rules that you have to follow. The first one is you have to subscribe to my channel. Whoever is my subscriber can enroll in this giveaway. Second, you have to like my each and every video, and also you have to comment below what are your suggestions and any question you have, or anything, any kind of video you want, you can just comment below. And third one, you have to share my videos on your all social media account, and also you have to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook, and make sure you follow all rules, because anybody skips any of the rules would not be qualified for the giveaway. So please make sure that you follow each and every rule. Every rule is really simple and easy, and you might win the giveaway by following this rule. So yes, these are the rules of the giveaway, and I hope you would follow each and every rule and enroll in the giveaway. So yes, make sure you enroll in the giveaway and you might win the giveaway. So yes, this was all for this video, and I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.